Hello, it gives me great pleasure to introduce the topic which I am going to speak in the upcoming pediatric webinar. The topic is subclasses and superclasses in children's cases. In my evolution of homeopathic understanding, we came to understand the mind state, then the delusion, then the miasms, then the kingdoms, then the sub-kingdoms, the families in the plants, the classes in the animals. And all of this were a great help in identifying the remedy. My latest development is about subclasses and superclasses. In short, I divided the entire materia medica into 6 superclasses. Each superclass represents a specific type of perception and response, and each superclass has within it a certain group of animals, a certain group of minerals, and a certain group of plant remedies, a certain nosode, and a sarcode. These groups share a very similar type of perception and response in that superclass. Identifying the superclass is like going to an atlas and identifying which continent we are looking at. And once you reach the continent, then it is so much easier to identify which subcontinent, which country, which state, which city, etc. This idea of superclass has helped me tremendously in my practice, and also tremendously in the way that we view remedies itself. You see, what is the difference, for example, between Staphylococcus aureus and Ignatia? It is the difference between the first superclass and the sixth superclass. The first superclass is too sensitive and withdrawing, and the sixth superclass is about violence and terror and attack and injury. This makes a huge difference to the understanding of the two remedies and the differences also. How to apply this idea in children's cases? That is going to be the subject of my talk in the upcoming webinar. So I will be explaining a little bit about subclasses and superclasses and showing illustrative cases of its use in children's conditions. I really look forward to share this latest advanced knowledge with you, and so that it can help you in your practice. So look forward to seeing you there. Bye.